You're given the linear mass density. So linear mass density is equal to the mass of the bar divided by its length. So if you rearrange this, mass equals the linear mass density times the length. So if you took this length of the bar and multiplied it by the linear mass density, you would get the mass at that particular piece. And then if you took this length of the bar and you multiplied it by the linear mass density, you would get the mass of this piece. And then you could do the same for this piece here. Once you find the mass of each of the three pieces, you can let each of those masses act at the center of mass of that particular piece.